Okay, if you see that I have already created a few example sheet for a better understanding. Now here we have employee ID given, employee name and department, and in this table we have to find the employee name against this employee ID. So let us first try to fetch the employee name with the help of Vlookup, and after the Vlookup we will find this with the help of Xlookup. So let us first try to find the employee name with the help of Vlookup. So is equal to Vlookup, and for Vlookup we have to give the lookup value. So this is the lookup value, comma. For table array, let us select all this range, comma, and the column that we want to find out, the number for that column is 2. So comma 2, comma 0, or you can use the false match also, and bracket close and enter. So this is the Aman Sharma that we have find out with the help of Vlookup formula. Again, if you are not aware about the Vlookup formula, guys, I have already created video on Vlookup, and for the Vlookup video you can click the I button over here. Now if we have to find the employee name with the help of Xlookup, let us understand this. So is equal to Xlookup. Again, Xlookup want the lookup value, so lookup value will be the same as what we were giving in the Vlookup formula. So lookup value, comma. Now here it is asking for the lookup array. What is the lookup array? Lookup array from where we can find this lookup value. So for lookup value, let us select this range, because our lookup value, which is employee ID, can be find out in this range only, from A4 to A9, and after that, comma, return array is the array from where our result can be find out. So as we are trying to find the employee name, again, as we are trying to find the employee name, and employee name can be find out in this array, in this range. So return range will be this. And if you see, we have these are the option: if not found, match mode, search mode. So these are the optional value. Anything which is in scale bracket in your formula is optional one. So it's not mandatory to give these optional value. So we can close here only. But yes, we will see all this in the next examples. So bracket close and enter. So if you see that with the help of Vlookup we can find the employee name, and with the help of Xlookup we can find the employee name. So as if now the result is same and we do not see any difference. So what is the difference between these two? Let us go to our example number 2. Now if you see, we have the same data, but here employee name is given first, then employee ID, and then department. Now here we have to find the employee name against this employee ID. So as you already know that Vlookup can work from left to right. It cannot find the value from employee ID to employee name, right? So Vlookup, the drawback for the Vlookup is it always works from left to right, not from right to left. So here we cannot find the employee name with the help of Vlookup formulas. So this is the major difference. Now finding out with the help of Xlookup, let us find is equal to Xlookup. Again, lookup value, this is the lookup value, comma. Now this time lookup array is this, comma, return array, this employee name. Again, these are the optional value. I'll not be using the optional value again in this example number 2. Bracket close and enter. Xlookup can be used from left to right, right to left, top to bottom, or bottom to top. So guys, till now it is clear what is the difference between Xlookup and Vlookup. Now let us understand some more trick that we can use in the Xlookup. So in this example you can see that I have this product code and the name of the product and the price is given. Now here what we want to find the product name. We want to find the price of the product against this product. So let us try to find out with the help of VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, lookup value this. Now guys, let me tell you that it will not work, because here the product name is USB and here it is written USB 16 GB pen drive. So yes, we can find it with the help of VLOOKUP using wildcard. How? Let me tell you. VLOOKUP, lookup value will be this, and we have to use the wildcard by using this ampersand. So F2 is USB, then ampersand, and then wildcard, and now comma. Rest of the argument will be the same. Sorry, the lookup value will be from this one, comma 2 and comma 0, bracket close and enter. So we have easily find like what is the price of this product name with the help of VLOOKUP. Now let us try to find out the price with the help of Xlookup. So is equal to Xlookup, lookup value this, and with this we will use the wildcard like this, comma, lookup array will be this, comma, return array this. Now we have these argument that we have not used as if now, the optional argument. So first argument is if not found. In case if this product name is not found in this lookup array, then what you want to return? We will be returning it like NA or not available. Let us write not available like this, comma, match mode. So what will be the match mode? Is it the exact match? Is it the exact match or next smaller item, exact match or next larger item, or wildcard? So here I'll be using the wildcard character match. So I'll use this one. And what is the search mode? So I'll be not be using the search mode option over here. So let us close the bracket and enter. So if you see, we have the 450 answer, assuming that we have written here like pen like this. So for pen it will be returning like not available, because we do not have any product by the name of pen over here. Now one more beauty of this Xlookup, that it can also replace Hlookup function. Let us understand with the easy example given in the next example number 4. So let's suppose this is the loan type available. We have home loan, car loan, personal loan and education loan. And for each and every loan we have given the interest rate over here, right? Now if I want to find the interest rate for the value given over here, let us take example of personal loan. So for Hlookup we will use like Hlookup, and lookup value is this, comma, table array is this, and here I'll use the row number 2. See, so we have 12.75% interest for the personal loan. Now if we want to find the result with the help of Xlookup formula. So for Xlookup, lookup value will be this, comma, lookup array will be, what will be the lookup array? Lookup array will be this, comma, return array will be this, comma, I don't want to use the argument over here, so bracket close and enter. See, as we already discussed that Xlookup can work from left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top. So it is an amazing function. And guys, last but not the least, there is an example number 5. If you see that I have given customer name over here and the purchase amount for each and every customer, and if you see for Aman we have two values given, one is 5,000 and one is 1200. And what if I want to find the purchase amount of the second occurrence like this one? But if I use VLOOKUP over here like this, lookup value this, comma, table array, comma 2, comma 0. So VLOOKUP, what it does, it always pick the first matching result. So we have result of 5000, but here we want to find the last or second result from this. So for that we can again use the Xlookup. How? Let me tell you very easily. Xlookup, lookup value this, comma, lookup array, so lookup array, sorry, this, comma, and return array will be this. Now I don't want to use the if not argument over here, so I can easily bypass that. I straight away can move to the match mode option. How? Use one comma and again one comma, then I'll be reaching to the match mode option. So for match mode I'll be using the exact match, okay, comma, and in the search mode, if you see that we have these many search modes: search first to last, search last to first, binary search, sorted, descending order or ascending order. So here I'll be using the search last to first. So if I used last to search option, it will give me the last matching result, and here the last matching result is 1200. So in this way we can easily find the last matching option.